Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Back riding the Pikes Peak again today. Now the bike's running, it's got a full system, it's got the dry clutch, so yeah, let's crack on with the video. Right, yeah, so here it is, the Pikes Peak. So obviously we've seen this one before, we've done the other videos. It's got all the rizomas, it's got loads of bits on it, spotlights, oil guard, it's got the red Brembos, fault slider. It's now got a different screen as well. It's got the hand guards, the levers, heated seats, it's got everything on this. Well, now it's got the dry clutch and it's got the full system and it's running, so we're going to take this out and have a listen to the exhaust. Yeah, what an awesome bike. I can't wait to ride this now, so let's get my gear on and let's take this little baby out. Man, it's so cool. Right, so the Pikes Peak. Right, sounds cool, man. Obviously we've ridden it before, now we're going to have a go with the dry clutch and the full system. Oh man, these are so good anyway. So now we've got the Sport Evo because we've got the full system on it. So as with the other Multistrada V4, the full system, they do sound alright for touring. It's a little bit louder, so when you're riding about it's not over loud, but when you're on the throttle, man, these things, they are just so cool. Hear that? Ah, it sounds awesome. Look at it. Little rattle there. Right, so the Pikes Peak, you know I love this bike. Right, so as in with the other videos of the Multistrada, man, it is just awesome. Again, with now the dry clutch, the full system, it's just crazy how this bike moves. Look at this thing in the road, man. It just turns in so good. Funny because I was just talking to a guy with a Pikes Peak. He just said he can't believe how it rides, how fast it is, and he's had the system put on it. He said he's trying to get used to it in the race Evo. We're in sport at the moment. We're going to have a little game race, see what that's like. But like the thing is, it's so light, every time you whack the throttle, you know, you get a little bit crossed up and stuff with the front wheels off the ground. What the hell are you doing, love? What are you even doing? so good. Right, so that was just having a little listen to the Pikes Peak. I mean, what a bike. Right, if you've not seen the previous videos, this thing is amazing. Now with a full system, crazy. It just changes the bike again. Look at this fella, got a medal and everything. Right, so let's see what this is like. Race Evo. Man, I still stand by what I said before. This bike is the best bike ever. What is going on? It's an adventure bike. It just gets through these gears so quick. It doesn't matter how fast you're going. You never feel like you're going too fast. And every time you go in a bend, turn it in, grip is unbelievable. This is by far the best thing on the road. The sad thing is, I know we've got to give this bike back now, and I tell you what, I am going to miss it. I've ridden some great bikes over the years, but this, and the good thing is for a Pikes Peak for me as well, it looks so cool. It just looks so cool. Sounds so cool. Ride so cool. Oh, what an awesome bike, seriously. Some bikes we ride are so good at what they do. This is just so good at everything it does. So there it is, the Pikes Peak with all the parts on it. If you want to see what all these parts are, check out the other video on the Pikes Peak. Did list them all in there. Yeah, these bikes are just amazing to ride. For me, there's literally nothing else out there like it. You know, you come out of a bend, the gears are quite short and the revs are quite short, so you just punch it through the gears. And you can come into a bend, even if you're thinking you're going fast, just pull the brakes, throw it in, it just goes around the bends. It feels so light. There is no sort of like just straight line with the bike. It's left or right. It's always on the move. On the throttle, the front wheel's always kind of, you know, you keep the wheelie control on, but it's always skipping, you know. Get crossed up a little bit. It feels wicked. But yeah, I'm actually going to miss this bike, like seriously going to miss riding it. So I guess now I just need a lottery win and we'll be back together again. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Man, I'm so jealous.
No sugar.
What?
There's no sugar. None.
What do you mean?
When I say there's no sugar, what I mean is it's full up to the top. What do you think I mean?
Well, there's none. Nothing. I'll have to have one with no sugar then, won't I?
Oh, will you? Do you have it with no sugar?
Well, I'll survive. I'm having lemon cake, you know?
Yeah, that's sugary.
That'd
Where
be
is
sweet
the
enough.
The lemon cake? Is it there?
The lemon cake?
I can't even say it.
No.
I'm so
I
hungry.
don't know where the lemon cake is.
Well, let's pretend you've got sugar. I'll just stir it for you.
Oh, once I eat a bit of lemon cake,
Stir it in.
once I eat the lemon cake, I won't need no sugar. Might need a little bit of milk though.
How much?
Well,
I might need a bit more. There, I've got a cup
maybe
of milk now.
yeah.
Do you want more milk?
Or maybe another splash. Is that alright? That do? Fucking don't go mental. Hello?
No, you can't. You're having lemon cake.
It's
You can't have
fucking
that as
chocolate
well.
digestive
You
in
can't do
here.
that. You can't do that.
I'm doing it.
How can you do that with
Because
lemon
this is
cake?
for the sweetness in my tea.
It's bad. You're a bad man.
Mmm.
Oh,
Mmm.
sounds good, then.
Mmm.
Where's that Multistrada gone then? That V4 that I did?
What, the Pikes Peak?
Yeah.
I've got to go and ride it now.
Oh,
Oh, what's that mean?
be careful, won't you?
I'm always careful. So I might go down to Bradwell. Is that far too far?
Too far. How many of them you got to have to get your sugar fix in?
Whose are they?
Yeah, yours by the looks of it. So you went out yesterday, Tuesday?
Yeah. So we went to the track day.
Where was that, Donington or Silverstone?
Donington Park. You want a biscuit?
No.
It was eventful.
And what did you ride?
I have been out on Simon's bike because he's not here today, and look at the number they gave me. Look at that, baby. Well, let me elaborate of what the
That's
event.
a word for you, isn't it? That's a big word.
Yeah. Someone commented they've not heard the word carbon hugger for a while.
I think that's 2 words.
Yeah, but alright, hugger instead of carbon hugger.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Hold on, I've got to say this. Oi, you fucking muppet.
Oh, really?
Someone else wanted to hear more of you muppet.
Where was that person from?
Dunno. They just said a little bit more use of the words you muppet would be good.
Yeah.
Shut it, you fucking muppet.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, that's good, that works.
What are you fucking looking at, you muppet?
You're going to eat any more of those biscuits? Fucking muppet. Have another biscuit, come on. Go.
Let me tell you about Donington Park.
Yeah. Is it a long story?
Obviously, Matt's done some laps, Simon didn't come, I done my shouldering.
Yes, Project Moto.
So turn up now. I injured myself. I know, if I said to people, I went done it on a track day, I've really hurt my shoulder, they would say,
Yeah.
what, you had a slide or what, eyesight or no? No, I stretched in the van.
Oh, simple stretch.
I was just stretching. Oh, but to be fair, I'd had that journey the day before to Silverstone, 3.5 hours on a bike.
Yeah.
I'd done something like 570 miles in 2 days. So I was in the van, give it the old, oh, I feel like my back's gonna, and as I went gonna snap, it did.
And it did, yeah.
And it went ping under my shoulder.
Not a ping. A ping's
Yeah.
the worst.
First it felt like I had an apple under my shoulder, and now so like it felt like a walnut. Then there was late signing in.
What sort of fruit did you have under your shoulder then?
Oh, it's still a walnut. It was a walnut all day.
Really?
Yeah, walnut, like a walnut whip. When was the last time you had a walnut whip?
Years ago.
You know what happened to me? I bought a packet of
I'm
three.
glad to ask.
I bought a packet of 3 walnut whips.
Oh, 3 walnut whips, yeah?
A pack of 3
Pack of
from
3.
like B&M's.
Yeah.
Opened them up, they had no walnuts on them.
You have a life, don't you? I'll
They
tell
just
you.
had a flat top on them.
Yeah.
No walnuts.
Yeah.
But what's the chances of buying a pack of 3 and none of them have a walnut on
A
the
little
top?
chance. Did you go back?
No, I ate them.
And I wouldn't believe you anyway if you went back there and
Said
said,
3 walnuts.
I've had, yeah. You have another biscuit.
And then
How many you had now? 6?
easily.
Yeah.
There was a problem with back protector because I didn't have one. Anyway, ended up going out. I had to end up doing my sighting laps and that in the novice group. Oh yeah, and I see the lorry on fire, didn't I? This fucking fuel tank's on fire. It's nice and warm there though, isn't it?
It's been an eventful week for you.
Then I went straight in the fast group, and then I realised that Simon's got a thumb brake on his V4 Panigale. Yeah, well you need a fucking thumb that big to reach it. So it's all right while you was just the novices going around the outside and riding around, not really thinking about it, not braking mega hard. As soon as in the fast group and you're on the brakes and you're doing it properly, I was like pressing the fucking horn. I was thinking, where's this thumb brake? I was so like concentrated on that, it just worked.
You haven't seen anybody with lemon drizzle.
Yeah, because I've had a packet. Look,
Oh, that's
I've had a packet of chocolate biscuits waiting. Whose biscuits were these?
Matt's.
Well, he's had about 7.
I've just had about 8 of them. I'll them a minute. I've got that on camera that you've just said.
It was in the workshop and I thought it was mine.
Right,
No, I was only joking.
It's in the workshop.
It's in the workshop. There's 2 plates of lemon drizzle sitting in the workshop as we speak.
Someone just contacted me about a paid promotion for some food thing, yeah.
Oh yeah?
So I'm wondering what they do. Don't know what it is.
I'm sure it's tasty
I was about to say, it sounds alright, doesn't it?
already.
Meal replacement shake. Powdered food. Fancy that?
We've had powdered stuff before, haven't we? Well, not that powder.
Yeah.